Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Sunny blue skies out there for the most part across the valley. It's kind of comfortable for this time of year. Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff. Jason, is the heat going anywhere anytime soon?
No. It's going to be here for a while. It's going to get a little bit cooler going forward, but only for a few days. We're really not going to have much relief from the heat. It is slightly hotter than average, but nothing that we can't handle, especially if you have some shade, especially if you have some air conditioning too. Taking a live look outside, I wish we had been able to see the turkey vulture that was actually swooping through this shot just a little bit earlier. It's really cool to see it, but it was a freeze frame, and then it disappeared as the next frame refreshed there. But we still have lots of sunshine and lots of heat all over the valley right now. Mostly sunny sky over Chico, just shy of 100 degrees at 99 with the wind out of the south at 10 miles an hour. We've had a high of 105 in Redding. Right now, barely cooler than that at 104. The wind out of the south-southeast at 8. It's also 104 degrees right now in Red Bluff with just a little bit more of a breeze out of the south-southeast. Oroville climbed up 2 degrees from an hour ago. Now it's 101 degrees with plenty of sunshine and far fewer clouds in the sky. We've had some thunderstorms that were causing some lightning yesterday. We don't have that in the forecast, but we do have another red flag warning, this time because of some gusty wind coming our way. A little disturbance is going to move through Oregon and far northern California tomorrow. So a red flag warning from 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. because of the increase in the wind speed. We'll still have all the heat that you see right here on the map, dry fuel and dry air. Right now it's 98 degrees in Alturas, 88 degrees in Mount Shasta, 92 degrees in Bernie. Yesterday at this time it was in the 50s in Chester, where we had almost 1¼ inches of rain with those slow-moving thunderstorms over northern Plumas County, but now 89 degrees, just about as hot as it was yesterday. The wind not that strong, but tomorrow it'll be windier near the Oregon border. Then the further south you are, the weaker that wind will be. We'll just call it breezy for tomorrow for the foothills and the valley, but also a lot of sunshine. You remember yesterday we had all those thunderstorms just blossoming over the Sierra as well as the northern mountains and the western range as well. Today, a far different story. We have just a couple clouds over the mountains, and those are going to disappear fairly rapidly tonight. So tomorrow morning, a mostly clear to clear start to your Wednesday. It's going to be just about as hot tomorrow and just about as sunny, if not a little bit sunnier, but also again the breezes will be blowing for our northern counties and then weakening the further south you live. And if you want to get your car washed, it's a good time to do that because we have some dry, hot weather in the forecast. It's been a while, so if you have that dirty car, well, it's going to stay clean for a while and not water spotted either. Good time next several days to give you to add the wax because Mother Nature is not going to test that wax anytime soon. Here's your forecast for tonight and tomorrow. We'll have lows in the 50s and 60s for the mountains as well as the foothills in the valley. So a nice mild start to your Wednesday. Tomorrow afternoon, almost as hot as today, some upper 80s, but mainly 90s and lower triple digits. A couple degrees cooler for both Chico and Redding tomorrow afternoon compared to today. Next 7 days in Chico, still between 95 and 98 degrees tomorrow, all the way through next Tuesday. The first 4 days of August, just as hot as the final 3 days of July. And for Redding, triple digits tomorrow through Tuesday, breezes tomorrow through Friday. More hot weather for this coming weekend with highs at or above 100 degrees.
Thanks, Jason. Close enough to the double digits that it looks tolerable. And we have some